Hey everyone, and welcome back to another Dropified video training tutorial. In this quick little video, I'm going to show you how you can use and access the Dropified Orders Audit tool for AliExpress, because sometimes things can go wrong and there'll be duplicate orders, orders that are orphaned, which means they don't have any payment attached to them. We've created a tool that lets you check through all of your AliExpress orders so you can cancel the duplicates and then figure out if you need to cancel the orphaned ones or find a payment method for it. But it's really simple. So we've already seen that the Dropified Google Chrome extension is really powerful in different contexts, when you're on different sites, when you're inside of Dropified and Shopify, all kinds of different places. But there's even more you can do when you're just trying to right-click on it. So if you want to access the Orders Audit tool, you can just go up to your Chrome extension and right-click on it. And that's going to bring down a menu which gives you a bunch of different options and what you can do. So I'm going to go to the Orders Audit tool. Click on that. And this is going to open up a brand new screen that will bring you to the AliExpress Orders Audit. So here you can find orphaned AliExpress orders, duplicate AliExpress orders, and orders with the wrong address. So you can run 3 different kinds of audits that'll help you identify different problems in AliExpress if they are there. So basically all you have to do is choose which of these you want to do, the date range you want to do them, and then just press start, and it'll load up all your orders, and then from there you'll see the orders in a results screen that will show you different anomalies that have shown up in whichever one of the audits you've done, and then you can figure out yourself how to handle them. You can either cancel them or fill in payment options, things like that. But that's been a quick little look at the Orders Audit tool. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.